Hey everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through how to purchase a NordVPN subscription step by step. Whether you're choosing the monthly plan, the yearly plan, or the 2-year deal, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. NordVPN often runs major discounts, and right now, there's a deal offering 73% off plus 3 free months. You can find that link in the description below. First, go to the NordVPN pricing page. Here, you'll see 3 main options: the 2-year plan, the 1-year plan, and the monthly plan. Choose the subscription length that works best for you. Next, select the security package that fits your needs. NordVPN offers different bundles that can include features like a password manager, cloud storage, and threat protection. Just pick the option that makes the most sense for how you plan to use it. After that, enter the email address you want to link to your NordVPN account. This is where your confirmation email and setup details will be sent. Now, choose your preferred payment method. NordVPN supports credit cards, PayPal, Google Pay, and even some cryptocurrencies. Enter your payment details, then click Complete the Purchase to finish. First, check your inbox for a confirmation email from NordVPN. It will include your order details and instructions on how to activate your account. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam folder. You can also visit the NordVPN help page if you need assistance. And that's all there is to it. Buying a NordVPN subscription is quick and straightforward. Just choose your plan, complete the payment, and check your email to get started. Don't forget to use the link in the description to claim the 73% discount plus 3 free months. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.